everybody! Let's make something sweet. Sweet, cold, refreshing dessert. Today we are going to make Sikhye, Korean Sikhye. Sikhye is rice punch because it's made with rice. See, we can make anything with rice. This is a very popular dessert among Koreans. Whenever we have some special occasions, always we make this Sikhye because we eat a lot of delicious food. After that, kind of stomach is kind of little feel uncomfortable, too full. This rice punch, you just drink this and then all digest quickly. Also tasty because we make this with barley malt powder. It's a malty. Malty flavor aftertaste is amazing. So good. Call this yakgirum barley malt powder. Today, I will just make it kind of a slush style. It's perfect for summer weather. This is 8 ounces. And then I will add 14 cups of water. So we gotta mix this well. We need to wait until this powder is all sunk on the bottom. Then we need that only clear water, clear malty water, we need that. Before filming this, 2 hours before, I mixed this one here. This bowl is just clear liquid. You can see the difference. Nobody can touch this now because it's very important. If you touch and shaking and then all mixing again, oh my, just my time 2 hours, just I gotta wait again. So how important it is. So this is, I'm going to save this for later. So now I will make rice. 1 cup. Let's wash. And rinse. And change water. My last rinse. And just pour out water as much as you can. 3/4 cup water. 1/2 cup. 1/4 cup. You see? Not much water. So press the button and now just let's make rice. There is a little science involved making this. Barley malt has enzyme called amylase. When amylase meeting starch from rice, the starch is turned into sugar, sweet things. This you make rice and just mix with this malty water and just suddenly it makes a really sweet drink. That's amazing, isn't it? My rice is done. Let's check it out. Wow, good. Each grain of rice is cooked and firm. That's what we need. So I'm going to be really carefully, I will pour out this. Slowly, like this. Can you see it on the bottom? It's like mud. So I will just stop this because I don't want to make it really cloudy Sikhye. And this is around 11 cups malty water. And then now, close, you need to set to warm. Keep warm. Can you see? And press this. So still, I like to use, this is 4 cups of water. Color is a little grayish color. That's it. This is Sikhye. I don't have to worry about anything. I'm going to let it ferment for 4 hours. And 4 hours later, I will check it out. This rice is going to be light and color change to white. Grains of rice should be floating. Meanwhile, I'm not going to touch this again. 4 hours later, it will be nicely separated. So see you in 4 hours. Back 4 hours later. So let's check out. Wow, look at this. This rice is floating, this rice. Okay, I'm going to transfer this to my big pot. Look at this color, gorgeous, beautiful, delicious looking, and smells really good. And then this sediment is sunk on the bottom. Pour this, just a clear liquid. Very slowly, around 3 cups. I will boil this really vigorously and then turn off. That's the Sikhye. And this is leftover, this thing, sediment, not anymore delicious here. All this malt flavor is all infused, so this is throw away. Let's heat up, high heat. So now really boiling. Turn off. This taste is just subtle sweet, but usually we add some sugar here. You can taste this. Oh, this is good, and then don't add any sugar. But I will add 1 cup sugar. Ever since I was young, my grandmother, my mom, all they make Sikhye. It's hot. Hot Sikhye, this is so delicious. Just we always eating some little bit taste. You can serve hot or cold. Oh, yummy, yummy. So serve hot or cold, but usually we serve cold. The rice will keep fermenting in this water. As time goes by, the color is going to be more cloudy or grayish. So usually we do the separate rice and this Sikhye water. So how I'm doing this is that strain. So let's rinse in cold water. And just soak in cold water like this. Let me taste my Sikhye. So good. And now what I'm going to do is just let it cool down. This Sikhye, this water and Sikhye rice, keep this in separately in the refrigerator. So whenever you serve this, you can ladle some Sikhye water and scoop some rice. This is the way that we serve this Sikhye, so that the color is not going to change and pretty. Rice color is always white, beautiful and floating. I'll just keep again. The flavor really good and sweet, but not that sweet, no. This is total 14 to 15 cups. When it's cool down, and cover. Now I'm going to make a slush. To show you how to make a slush, I had to make in advance another batch. I froze for around 5 hours. So I will bring it, but before that, I will just give you some idea for garnish. You remember this is jujube. Jujube, I made this flour, so how you make this? Use your knife and just cut around. You can feel the seed inside. and just cut around this until the seed is coming out. And see, seed. And then you can just roll it up tightly and squeeze. Because the inside is sticky, so you can do this just like a glue, you know. So jujube flour, this way we make it. I made some here. And also this is a pine nuts. Pine nuts is always Sikhye, very beautiful and tasty. When you add pine nuts, we always just remove the tip. So see that this is a tip. This tip you can take off. And then actually there is inside really tiny hole. So even you should be able to like this. What does it look like? It looks like a match. So usually we make this kind of, you know, the pine needles. I will use this. I just kept in the refrigerator, so cold. You see? Just half is frozen. This is a Sikhye slush. You see? So summertime is awesome. You can just you can make a slush whole, these 2 jars, and big party, and then just for like several people, you can serve this way. I'm going to make also, this is granita. You know, have you ever heard of granita? Using your fork and then just scratch. We gotta add rice and mix. Jujube, pine nuts. Let me taste. I'm so excited. Sikhye slush. Wow, almost too cold. Too cold. My teeth are frozen. It tastes cold, refreshing and sweet, and also the aftertaste is kind of malt flavor. That's really great. And also rice is all starch is gone. Texture is like a little sponge. Taste is really unique. If you have never tasted Sikhye, you gotta make a homemade Sikhye. Sikhye is loved by all Koreans. We always make this whenever we have some special occasions, and we make Sikhye. We made this with 1 cup of rice and 8 ounce barley malt powder. Today we made Korean Sikhye slush, rice punch slush. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.